we're asked to solve this one using the substitution method. And the substitution method works best whenever one of these is already solved. We already know what y equals, or excuse me, what x equals. X is equal to 2 times the value of y plus 4. So that helps us quite a bit. Because we have that, we can just substitute this in instead of writing x. So we're going to start that process now. The first thing we're going to do is to take that second equation, and then we're going to substitute in that value for x. Okay, so we write the second equation, and this is the same equation that I have written up here. The only thing I've changed here is I just highlighted the x and made it red so that you can see. This is what we're going to plug in. We know that x equals 2y plus 4. So now all I'm going to do is plug that one in. Okay, I'm going to substitute that in. So here's my 2y plus 4. So then I notice my use of parentheses here. You'll want to use that because you'll distribute this 2 to everything inside of the parentheses. So this is actually, once you distribute it, going to be a 4y plus 8. Okay, well now that we've got this set up here, we notice that we have like terms on this side. I've got a 4y and a negative 4y. If I combine those two together, that gives me 0. That cancels those out. So now that leaves me with just plain 8 equals 10. Now we know that 8 does not equal 10. So because 8 does not equal 10, our answer on this one is going to be no solution. Okay, now if you get some other number, 6 equals 4, something like that in it, that is going to be another no solution. Okay, so, and the reason why it's a no solution, if you were to convert both of these into slope-intercept form, so it's y equals some number, and find their slope, you'd find out that both of these slopes are exactly the same. These two lines are parallel if you were to graph them. So they never intersect. Because of that, there is no solution that will work, no x or y value that works for both of those two. So when you're inputting in your answer, you'll just write no solution.